So okay, so can we start the first word?
Yes, yes, definitely you can start.
Yeah, the first word was there like amicably.
Okay, the first word is because we are doing the words right now. So the first word is amicable.
Yeah,
Okay.
first word is amicably, and
Hmm.
amicably is nothing but uh, like peacefully, without any argument, and without any kind of argument, and without any with
Friendly
emotionally,
way. You can say a friendly way.
friendly way. Yeah, friendly way.
Hmm.
So her parents was divorced amicably when he
Word.
her parents were
Yes, the parents were
her parents
because
were
we are talking about parents, two people. Hmm.
oh, so her parents were divorced when he was young. Her parents was divorced amicably when he was young.
Okay. Hmm.
And we can say we need to sort out this issue amicably, otherwise we will go through a we will going to face a consequences. We need to sort out this
Okay.
issue amicably, otherwise we are going to face consequences.
We should sort out the issues amicably. Otherwise, there will be a lot of legal consequences.
Hmm.
Okay, otherwise, we will have to face legal consequences, or we will have to face legal difficulties, or harsh consequences. Harsh.
Harsh consequences.
Yes, harsh consequences is a better combination because इसका हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन होगा खराब सिचुएशंस फेस करना पड़ेगा अगर हम लोग अच्छे से amicably अपने प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं सॉल्व कर पाते तो सिचुएशंस खराब हो जाएंगी हमारी.
Hmm. So this is also a sentence is there, and we can make like sentence like finally we had started with uh, like however means finally we started the conversation with we have initially we had done a lot of mm, argument, but however the issue has solved amicably.
Okay. The issues are solved amicably. Okay, very good. Now next word.
So next word is acronymiously, the opposite of amicably.
Okay.
Acronymiously, acronymous with anger,
Hmm.
like with anger and some kind of we can say some kind of quarrel, some kind of to fight with emotions, and yeah. So
Okay.
we can make like sentence opposite of amicably, like her parents were divorced acronymiously
Okay.
when he was
Okay.
young. Yeah. So yeah,
Okay. Very good.
yeah. So
Hmm.
second things like acronymiously uh, mm, uh, acronymiously mhm. uh, we sorted out issue. No, acronymiously we can say mm, mm, we can say
You
final.
can talk about your boss or some colleague or some friend. Hmm.
Yeah, so we can say uh, we both separate acronymiously.
You both separated. Okay.
Separated
And
acronymiously.
yes, you can say that. Also, we fought.
If we
We
yes,
fought.
yeah, we
Hmm.
fought acronymiously.
Very good. About some issues in the office.
Ah, yeah,
Okay.
about some issues
Yeah.
in our office. Yeah.
Office. Okay. Very good. Now next word.
Next word is debrief.
Hmm.
So debrief is
Debrief.
yeah, debrief is nothing but means it's vast conversation. Like if you want to like suddenly police are debriefing the crime. So to get the more
Hmm.
information about that crime. So
Hmm.
the pilot have been debriefing about bomb.
The pilot has been.
The pilot has been debriefing about raid, bomb raid. Yeah, we can say
Okay,
about the
about
crime,
a raid.
about the raid. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, you mean RAID, right? Raid, about a raid.
Mm. So in my manager, our team is debriefing about the critical condition, about the, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
About the critical condition going in the country, about the critical condition going in the country because of the pandemic.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, because all the workplaces are suffering. So
Hmm.
there have been, ups and downs in all the work somehow or the other. So they have been, talking about it.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes. And next word is glittering.
Mhm.
Glittering
Glittering.
is nothing but like brilliant, shining, or we can say like beautiful, like shining. We can say like
Eye catching.
eye catching.
Yes, you
Yes.
can say eye catching. Yeah, something different from the normal eye catching.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So we can make like center the star is the sky is glittering with stars.
Okay.
And
Very good.
his mom's praise about his mom says praise about his son for the glittering career, about his glittering career.
His mother is praying for his son's glittering career, sparkly career.
Sparkling.
Uh, yes, basically a very good career where
Yeah.
he can outshine everyone. He can outshine himself also. In fact, to have a better career. Mm.
So if you do very work hard in English you
If
will,
you work very hard, if you work very hard,
yeah, if you
mm,
work very hard your career will be glittering.
yes, you will have a glittering career if
You
you
will have
work really hard. Yes.
glittering
So,
is glittering is an
yes.
adjective.
Uh, yes, glittering, you can say, yeah, glittering career, glittering personality. Yes, he has a, yeah,
Adjective.
glittering personality. Um, yeah, you can say. But when you say that the stars are glittering, and I can
Sky.
see glittering stars, yeah, and then it
Sky.
is different.
Sky is glittering with stars.
Yes, yes. Then it is of course an adjective. Okay, and yeah, so it's a good word. Okay,
And last word
next.
actually I had found is to watch I was watching one movie and where I had found this word, enamelware.
And, hmm,
Enamelware is nothing but job or business, or
hmm,
business. Like I don't I not I know nothing about your enamelware. Means I don't know anything about a business. So we have I have my different kind of enamelware. Which want to
hmm.
which things you want to choose.
Okay.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting